The iPhone 13, although hailed as an innovative device, may encounter issues, like an unresponsive screen. Navigating through tasks, messages, or apps becomes frustrating when the screen refuses to register your touch. This guide offers 12 efficient fixes to overcome the problem. Part 1. Why is iPhone 13 screen not responding? Software glitch, physical damage, water damage, touch sensitivity settings, unresponsive app, outdated iOS, hardware issue, touchscreen calibration, background processes, battery issues, accessibility settings. Part 2. Fix iPhone 13 screen not responding or working with 11 tricks. Trick 1. Use a different outlet, cable, or charger. Trick 2. Remove accessories and clean iPhone 13 screen. Trick 3. Free up iPhone storage. Trick 4. Force restart iPhone 13. Trick 5. Use iTunes to update or restore iPhone 13. Trick 6. Restore iPhone 13 in DFU mode. Trick 7. Adjust 3D touch sensitivity. Trick 8. Steer clear of extreme temperatures. Trick 9. Factory reset iPhone 13. Trick 10. Check for software updates. Trick 11. Turn to Apple Store or support physical damage.